As you come into the property, this driveway, depending on how much snow is, gets pretty narrow. And one thing I really like that we did is we put in this carport. Well, we do have a garage. Right now it's inaccessible, but you can still park in this carport and be protected from the snow. And carrying on, they have moved this area and this area over here to the right to be able to park other cars. There's so much snow this year, it's hard to be able to fit anything else. As you enter the door, we have this stairway that goes right up to the main living area. As you can see, it's very light and bright. Located under the stairs, we have a really nice massage chair. It's perfect for after skiing. To open the main blinds, you only hit this once. The 3 big blinds up top start moving up. And you can come right in and walk right outside. This deck gets a lot of sun, and so it's actually quite pleasant if the sun is out, even if it's below freezing. And then you can see ski runs right there. Close one here is chair 5. And then you can see back there in the distance, right in the center of the screen, is where you can get off one of the other lifts. Anytime you feel like you want to work out, an extra one, you can shovel snow. This is coming back from the ski resort trails, just going back to the cabin. Here's a couple aerial shots that I took as well of the area, so you can get an idea. This is more closer to spring, and this was a few years ago. You are more often than not treated with beautiful sunsets at night. Continuing our tour of the cabin, this is outside on the huge deck looking back towards the cabin. And inside at this dining area with seating at the bar, a really gourmet stove and oven with a pot filler. We got lighting everywhere. Huge kitchen sink. We got a hidden laundry room behind this barn door right when you come up the stairs. And these are our custom stairs that we did a couple years ago that lead up to the loft. And this area we kind of imagined for kids. There's a TV up there if they want to bring anything to plug in there for games. There are 2 twin beds on a small platform. And there's also a couch that turns into like a queen or full-size bed. The loft also has its own bathroom, so they don't have to go up and down the stairs to use the other bathroom. And then they also have a couple very large windows and all open space. Looking down from the loft to the main living area, you can see how open the area is and how there's unobstructed views to the ski resort. You can see other runs from upstairs in the loft looking out to the left. You can come down. The floors are all heated. They're concrete floors. They're super warm on your feet. It's a very comfortable environment to be in. This is the guest bedroom. It has a pocket door into the bathroom with direct access into a bathroom with 2 sinks, as you can see here. And you can lock out the hallway entrance to the bathroom. This is the master bedroom. Has a very modern, simple style and very clean. Also heated floors throughout the whole main living area. It's not heated floors in the loft, but it's warm enough up there. And this has a king bed, also with its ensuite, with a walk-in shower, with a rain shower head, and a regular shower head. Also double vanities as well. This is from the master bedroom, walking down the hall to the main area. You can see how light, bright, airy it is. And it's not a massive space for a large group of people, but it's very cozy and very comfortable. There's a few more aerial shots of the outside. And one thing I wanted to continue on from here after this is to show you some of the local things that you can do, not only in the winter, but also in the summer. Stargazing at night in the summer is brilliant. In fall, the aspens change color. This was shot in a lot right by the house. That's Kanab Canyon. This area is Cedar Breaks, which is literally right down the street. That's the top of Bryan Head that you can see Cedar Breaks from. That's Kanaraville Falls. And that's another hike just south of Kanaraville. That's Bryce Canyon. That's about an hour and a half drive. That's Capitol Reef National Park, and that's probably about a 3-hour drive. That's Lower Calf Falls. That's in Escalante. And to get to this hike, it'd probably be close to a 2-hour drive. And this hike is about 4.5 miles there and 4.5 back. So you go there and then you come back. It's a beautiful hike, beautiful falls. That's Horseshoe Bend, super famous. That's a couple hours away. Great Basin National Park in Nevada is pretty close. And this is a really close hike, about a half-hour drive, called Cascade Falls. This is on your way to Bryce Canyon. We do this hike before we hit Bryce Canyon, and it is great. There's arches and everything. And that's Arches National Park. And that showing there is in Kanab. It's called Peekaboo Canyon, and it's a little slot canyon that's a great hike. And if you want any more information, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this gives you some things and ideas that you can do, not besides enjoying the snow. There's so much to do in the summer as well. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.